Hidden CMD commands hackers hope you never learn. The WMIC process get name ExecutablePath command is a powerful tool to list all running processes on a Windows system, along with the full file paths of their executable files. This is crucial for identifying unknown or malicious programs that could compromise your system. Type WMIC, which stands for Windows Management Instrumentation Command-line tool. Process target the running processes on the system. Get name ExecutablePath retrieves the names of processes and their corresponding executable file paths. The output lists all active processes and their executable paths in 2 columns. The name represents the name of the running processes. ExecutablePath is the full file path of the process executable. Hackers often disguise malicious processes as legitimate ones or execute them from suspicious locations. This command helps identify such anomalies. Any process you don't recognize warrants further investigation. Legitimate processes usually run from system or program directories. An example is Drive C Windows System 32 or Drive C program files. Malicious processes might run from unusual locations, such as temporary directories, which could be Drive C, users, AppData Local Temp. Also, malware often uses generic or inconspicuous names, such as svchost executable or notepad.exe, but executes from non-standard directories. Even legitimate process names, such as Explorer executable, could be used maliciously if running from the wrong directory. For example, an expected path could be Drive C Windows Explorer executable, but a suspicious path could be Drive C users explorer.executable. To investigate suspicious processes, copy its path. Open File Explorer and paste the path at the address bar to locate the file. Identify the executable file and check the digital signature. Right-click the suspicious file. Go to Properties and check the digital signatures tab. Missing or invalid signatures are red flags.